Correa with a fly ball to right his first time up. Hits one back up the middle. Ricochets off of Richards right to Giavotella. How about that? The 1-4-6-3 double play.
Ball was hit hard too, right back up the middle. Off the leg. With Garrett Richards, the follow through. Not enough of a glance to slow the baseball down, it looked like, and plenty of time to complete the double play.